Wonder Washer. It's a great alternative to hand washing or laundromat. I'm Vlad Dasijan. I have a PhD in engineering, and I invented Wonder Washer to change the way we wash. There is always a need for small loads between big laundries. Sportswear, daily wear, and personal items require freshness. Take a look at how much detergent remains in the supposedly clean clothes washed in a traditional way. It is your choice. A detergent on your skin or completely fresh clothes with Wonder Washer. Clean by Ozone, a natural defender and cleaner of our planet. Everyone remembers the clean air after a lightning storm. Ozone washed it. Ozone works as well as detergent, but it doesn't leave any chemical contamination in clothes and water at all. And you also need fresh air in your house. You get it with Wonder Washer. It's a bonus. Also save time and money on dry cleaning your clothes or sneakers from bad smells. Strawberries, raspberries, and bunches of grapes are difficult to wash and disinfect with traditional methods, but Ozone in the water kills all bacteria within a few minutes. Used ozonated water is very useful to water the houseplants. Wonder Washer has been carefully designed to ensure durability and productivity. This device will make your life naturally cleaner.